All right, let's talk Rollator walkers for seniors. Choosing the right one really matters. The right walker brings independence and confidence, while the wrong one ends up unused because it's heavy, uncomfortable, or impractical. Not all rollators are equal. Some have poor brakes, some are too heavy to lift, and some are just plain uncomfortable. That's why we've tested rollator walkers for comfort, weight, maneuverability, brakes, and real-world usability. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best rollator walkers for seniors in 2026, from compact models to heavy-duty all-terrain options. Let's dive in. Starting at number 7, we've got the Lumx Walkabout Junior Rollator, perfect for petite users. This rollator is designed specifically for smaller adults and seniors. The hand grips adjust from 27.5 to 32 inches high, and the padded seat is positioned at a comfortable 18.5-inch height. Here's what makes this special. It's compact and lightweight. Weighing just 11.5 pounds and only 20 inches wide, this is the smallest rollator we tested. It fits easily through narrow doorways and tight spaces, making it perfect for homes, travel, and even cruise ships. The braking system features large hand grips that make it easy to apply the brakes, with a lock-in-place feature that prevents accidental rolling for added safety. The sturdy frame and large 6-inch wheels provide smooth rolling over indoor and outdoor surfaces. You get a padded 12 by 12-inch seat with a curved backrest for comfortable resting, plus an underseat basket for personal items. Trusted by healthcare professionals for over 50 years, the Lumx Walkabout Junior combines comfort, stability, and convenience in a size designed specifically for smaller users. At number 6, we've got the Vive Mobility 3-wheel walker, offering upgraded support and maneuverability. This 3-wheel walker offers the perfect combination of stability and maneuverability. With a wide distance between its back wheels and a stable cross-brace design, it provides reliable support whether you're standing still or walking. The big advantage of a 3-wheel design? Better navigation in small spaces and crowded areas compared to 4-wheel models. It's foldable, lightweight, and easy to transport. It effortlessly fits in your car. The height-adjustable handles allow you to find the perfect fit, ensuring your hands are at a natural angle for comfort and better brake access. It includes a stylish gray bag that's removable and easy to clean for storing your essentials. They stand behind the durability and longevity of this walker, which gives you peace of mind with your purchase. If you need something maneuverable for tight spaces and don't need a seat for resting, the 3-wheel design is worth considering. Coming in at number 5 is the Hamlin Foldable Rollator Walker, where durability meets design. This 4-wheel rollator is engineered with a reinforced frame and double support bars, supporting up to 350 pounds. With thickened tubing and robust wall construction, it guarantees durability and stability for every step. You get a breathable backrest and an extra-wide memory foam seat that prioritizes comfort and safety. The safety features are comprehensive. The reliable braking system features 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop, for ultimate control. There's a pinch-proof folding point design with fully enclosed folding points to prevent pinching. The ergonomic hand grips are soft and reduce hand fatigue, allowing easy use by individuals with limited strength. Multi-reflective strips enhance visibility during nighttime use. You get 8-inch puncture-proof wheels, expertly crafted for smooth movement indoors and outdoors. At just 20.4 pounds, this walker combines strength with portability. The quick-fold design allows for easy transport and storage. At number 4, we've got the Medline Steel Rollator Walker, a durable steel frame option. This rollator features a durable steel frame that supports a weight capacity up to 350 pounds, making it safe and comfortable for the user and their belongings. The easy-to-use brake handles are ergonomic and designed for seniors and fragile hands to grip without being slippery. Push up to brake and push down to lock wheels in place. The adjustable height handles range from 31 to 35 inches. You get a padded seat and backrest, both 12 by 12 inches, for resting in comfort. There's convenient storage under the seat for your essentials. The foldable frame weighs 16.5 pounds and is designed to fold down for easy transport and storage. The 6-inch wheels are designed for smooth transportation on any terrain, rolling smoothly both inside and outside. If you want a steel frame for maximum durability and don't mind the slightly heavier weight compared to aluminum models, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker, delivering stable, everyday mobility. This rollator delivers secure, stable support with a strong aluminum frame and one-handed folding convenience. That one-handed folding is genuinely helpful when you're trying to get it in and out of the car. It's designed for ergonomic comfort with a wide padded seat, contoured backrest, and adjustable height settings to enhance customization for your specific needs. The advanced braking system is impressive, featuring free, park, and slow-down modes. That slow-down mode offers enhanced downhill control for smoother, more predictable handling. A big deal if you live in a hilly area. You get versatile storage options with 3 bag mounting positions and an accessory port for essentials such as canes, phones, or cup holders during outings. Drive Medical's mission is to lead with innovative healthcare solutions that enhance lives, and the Nitro Sprint delivers on that promise with thoughtful features that make real-world use easier. At number 2, we've got the Vive Mobility Upright Walker with Seat, a superior alternative to ordinary walkers. This upright walker can help improve your posture and confidence. It can also help reduce pain in your neck, hips, knees, hands, and wrists. That's a big deal if you've been experiencing discomfort with traditional walkers. The upright rollator features 8-inch flat-free wheels for greater stability on many surfaces. The forearm pads adjust forward and backward, better accommodating different arm lengths. Locking push pins allow the height to be easily adjusted from 45 to 52 inches, making it ideal for heights 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. The folding walker handles are topped with contoured armrests to evenly distribute pressure, relieving fatigue. The length-adjustable hand grips feature easy-to-use loop brakes to lock the wheels in place for stable seating. The supportive 17.5-inch wide seat provides comfortable, on-the-go seating for resting as needed. It includes a detachable shoulder bag that safely stores essential items close at hand. If traditional walkers cause you pain or posture issues, the upright design is worth serious consideration. And that brings us to number 1, the best rollator walker for seniors overall, the Vasix Z21. This walker weighs just 19.4 pounds, making it easy to lift and transport, yet it's built with reinforced aluminum that supports up to 330 pounds. The 3-second quick fold design is a standout, folding compact enough to fit easily in a car trunk. Comfort is where the Z21 really shines. It features an ergonomic bionic seat with thick, waterproof padding that relieves pressure on the hips, plus a wide, breathable backrest that offers real support, especially on longer outings. For mobility, you get 8-inch puncture-proof wheels that handle bumps and uneven terrain far better than standard rollators. Safety is excellent, with a 3-mode braking system, ergonomic non-slip handles, and reflective accents for visibility at night. When you combine comfort, safety, portability, and all-terrain performance, the Vasix Z21 easily earns its spot as the best rollator walker for seniors in 2026. And that's it. The 7 best rollator walkers of 2026, from compact designs to heavy-duty all-terrain models. Best overall is the Vasix Z21. For petite users, the Lumx Walkabout Jr. is a great fit. Need upright support? The Vive Upright Walker is a standout. And for tight spaces, the Vive 3-wheel walker is easy to maneuver. The right walker can make a real difference in comfort, confidence, and independence. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment if you're shopping for yourself or a loved one. Catch you in the next one.